Let's go, everyone. Today, super excited to be unboxing this new Apple Watch Ultra watch band. This is a brand new color. It is the color Anchor Blue for natural titanium ocean band. So Anchor Blue ocean band. Very cool. Very excited. This is for my Apple Watch Ultra 3. I like when they release new colors like this. All right, pull tabs over there. Ooh. Here's instructions on how to attach it. And the moment you've all been waiting for. Some paperwork. What's this? Anything else in here? Nope. Ooh, this looks really nice. Wow. Very fresh. Very nice. Then you got this. You got this to match the natural titanium. I'm gonna put this in one of these. And yeah, there you have it. Anchor Blue Apple Watch Ultra 3 band for natural titanium. Anchor Blue ocean band. Let me know what you guys think of this in the comment section below. I'll drop a link in the video description of where you can get this from, and hope you're all doing well. Catch you all for the next unboxing video. Later.